Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you a little Kmart hack. So we are going to hack these bed sheets and we are going to make something truly amazing. So we're going to actually hack this pegboard. So it is one of these Kmart pegboards, and I did attempt to do a hack, which you can see from this, like it's all glue on here because I attempted to do the poster board hack, which I showed in one of my Kmart hack videos last Christmas for a Christmas gift, and it was an epic fail. It all wrinkled up and it looked like crap. I removed the poster, but now I'm just stuck with all this on there. So I'm gonna cover it in the bed sheet, and then we're gonna go from there. I am not sure if I'm actually gonna change it so it goes this side, which I've never seen anyone do before, but if I do that, these are not going to fit because the grooves are cut specifically to go obviously that way. But I'm just gonna see how this print looks basically when I've got it on here. So if it's gonna look better going this way, I'll do it this way. If it's gonna look better, you know, going this way, I'll do it this way. So let's take it out of the packet and do a little bit of investigating. Decisions. I kind of think it's really cute this way. It's just gonna be more work for me. Why do I do this to myself? Really, really cute though, isn't it? How gorgeous is it? Yeah. Food for thought. I've decided to do it this way because I want to make life easier for myself, and I can't find my bloody material scissors. So these are going to have to do, I'm just cutting off the excess.
I'll say this nice, tell it in a letter, stamp and mail it out. We did our best, couldn't have done better. I think we should be proud, but you held me down when I was living up, back and forth but never together. So I'll stand up and walk out and make my way alone for now.
So after that is all dried, you want to apply the Mod Podge to the top, and that is just to seal it, basically. I have decided to actually paint these shelves, so I'm just doing a 50-50 paint and water to create a whitewash.
My mind's made up. We keep doing this, but nothing's getting better. So I'll stand up and walk out and make my way alone for now.
Now these shelves desperately needed a sand, but I was pretty lazy, so I barely sanded them at all, but definitely recommend it if you're doing this at home. I'm now going over with a clear polyurethane. So this is a water-based. Don't go for something that's not water-based because you don't want it to turn yellow. Okay, so it's all dried now and all of my shelves are dry. So I've just marked out with a Sharpie where I am going to put my shelves and stuff. So I've just had a little play around with the shelves and decided on where to put them, and now it's time for action. So I'm just going to use a pair of these scissors. These are like sewing scissors, just to put holes in them. I'm not sure if I'll be better off with like a Stanley knife, but anyway, we'll see how we go. So this is how we've turned out. It's pretty cute, isn't it? I don't really know what I'm going to be putting on this, so that's why I have styled it in the way that I have. So basically I've just put some of her beautiful things down there, a little picture frame on here, and then this is a little Kmart hack in itself. This is actually one of the toothbrush holders, and I've just made it into a dry flower arrangement. I do need more dry flowers in here, and obviously I haven't styled the top shelf. As I said, I don't really know what I'm putting in this. This is more just for the video, just to give you an idea, somewhat of an idea what it may look like when it's actually styled. So guys, I hope you've all enjoyed today's video, and of course I would love you to stick around, subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and of course if you do want to see more from me, I'm over on Facebook and on Instagram throughout the week, and I'll catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.